Good morning, everyone. This is Zozo Stock Watch, and just wanted to go over a pre-market trade that I did, and I want to show you how I used the news service Trade Exchange at 7:31. SPI had news that was posted in the room. 7:31. SPI Energy Company Limited announces agreement with Capital Stage AG to sell UK solar project. All right, and that's at 7:31. So I'm watching SPI, and as you can see now on my TI scanner for gappers, right, this stock is up 54.8% from the close. So that's SPI. It's at the top of the list, and the news came out, like I said, 7:31. So I was watching this, and I see these like little dots in here. Let's see, what time was that? 7:36. All right, so I'm seeing little dots, so I'm not interested yet. And then around 8:02, okay, that's when a lot of retailers can start buying a stock. You see this push up in the stock, then a pullback. So I start watching the stock, and you know, this is my 2-minute chart with the 28 EMA here. And for me, anything above that, even in pre-market, you know, is showing strength. Right down here, I'm not sure because the volume's limited. So I'm watching the stock, and I'm saying to myself, if this can get over, you know, 190, 195 spot, I have a chance for that break of 2. And then there was the pop up to 238. So I sold most of it at 220. I still have a little bit of shares left. If it takes out this 190 spot, I'll just, you know, sell it. I only have like 100 shares left of the stock, and so just to see what happens. But if it takes out this 190, I'll just dump that 100 shares. Going into the trade, you know, I went in, you know, semi-heavy, and you know, got a nice move up and was selling up into the push on the news from Trade Exchange at 7:31. Some other news that came out was PLX. Okay, but I was concentrating on SPI. All right, so you might want to keep PLX on your radar today. And let's see if there is any other news from the Trade Exchange. Deere bought out somebody. CIEN is up in pre-market. Deere was up at highs. Let's see, PLX, like I said, was up. Over here at 7:56, I put in the room SPI ticking up pre. And that's kind of to alert everybody, you know, that you know, there was some action in SPI. So I did take that trade. Sorry if my voice is a little raspy. It's kind of early in the morning. Let's see, EBIO also had news. Okay. Let's see what else. I thought there was something else. I think there was news on, here it is, BPMX. BPMX, Biopharma X advances BPX upon achieving statistical significance for primary endpoint. Let's just take a look. BPMX. So you might want to have this one on your radar today. It's an under you know, $1 stock, but these have been moving right now in the market, these under $1 names, and that news came in the service at 8:16 a.m. And let's see if there was anything else. Let's see, Glow. I'm not even familiar with that name. GLOW. No. Let's pass on that. And XBIT. Okay, this came out 8:35 XBIT. And let's check this one out. Like I said, we're looking at a 2-minute chart, so it is gapping up from around this you know, close here, and we are up in pre-market. XBIT Biotech presents phase 3 findings for its antibody therapy for colorectal cancer, sorry, at 2017 ASCO meeting. So you know, XBIT might be on watch today. All right, and what's this one? TCMD. Just keep an eye on this one. Maybe Tactical Medical receives FDA 510K clearance for its Flex Touch with improved therapy for at-home treatment. Okay, I won't even begin to try to pronounce most of these words, but for some type of treatment. And once again, I'll give you the gap up list. So here's XBIT. All right, so that stock is up. EBIO is up pre-market. CN is up pre-market. SPI, like we talked about. Mankind is up. They had news last night and went over that in a previous video. Let's see, ZSAN, that's ticking up pre-market. And CYTX getting a little buying pre-market. And let's see, anybody else? HLTH ticking up pre-market. So just a quick report how I traded SPI. Guys, get yourself a good news service. I'm not, pumping Trade Exchange just for the sake of it. It's a reasonable price. I think it's like $39.95, and that's with audio news all day. And I think that's very reasonable. And in one trade a week, you can pay basically for a year of Trade Exchange. So it's tradeexchange.com. All right, so if you click here on that little thingy, it should give me the website to come up. Yeah, tradeexchange.com. Okay, so stay informed, and then you just go under, join, and you can even get a free trial for 10 days. Okay, I know people hate when they get sold things on YouTube or whatever, but this is well worth the cost of it. So tradeexchange.com, and if you had that service, you would have been making big money, good money on SPI, and combined with trade ideas, which is very reasonable also. Those are some tools that you need just to trade. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day. And maybe I'll see you back here for the stocks on watch. If you like my videos, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and really appreciate all the new follows on YouTube. This has been Zozo Stock Watch. Thank you very much for listening.